Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious canned tuna patties. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, which typically include 2 cans of tuna, about 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, and 1 large egg. It's crucial to drain your tuna thoroughly to prevent soggy patties. Having all your components ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. In a large bowl, combine your drained tuna, breadcrumbs, egg, and any seasonings you prefer, like a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything until it's well incorporated but not overmixed. Then, gently form the mixture into patties, aiming for a consistent size, perhaps about 1 inch thick and 3 inches across for even cooking. There are a couple of great ways to cook your tuna patties. You can pan-fry them in a skillet with a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat, cooking each side for about 3 to 5 minutes until golden brown and crispy. Alternatively, for a lighter option, bake them on a parchment-lined baking sheet at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. Once your tuna patties are perfectly cooked, it's time to enjoy them. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice really brightens their flavor. They pair wonderfully with a simple green salad, a dollop of tartar sauce, or even a spicy aioli. These patties are incredibly versatile, making a fantastic quick lunch, a light dinner, or even a satisfying appetizer for your next gathering.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.